Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an Angular app and integrate the Angular application with Auth0 so we can log in and log out of the application. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is to go to Auth0 and register an account. So this is my account. It's a free account. So as I mentioned, Auth0 provides user management out of the box for you, so you don't have to create a key clock server, for example. But you can replace this with any OAuth 2 provider, and it would work similarly. And no, I'm not doing this for Auth0. It is a free service, so I think it's good to have this to get started quickly. So here, this is the Auth0 panel. The first thing you need to do is to create an application. Go to applications here and create new. I have application created previously here. Well, let's create a new one. Okay, create application. And we are doing this for the Angular app. So click here. Okay. Pick is wallet. Okay. And click on create. Simple as that. And now the most important thing here, go to settings. So the most important thing you need to set up in this application is the allow callback URL here and allow logout URL. Currently these are set to the Angular application running on my local machine, but in the production app that would be pointing to the domain. Okay, and this is very important, allowed web origins. So also this is the Angular application. So that is all you need to configure in this application, and scroll down, make sure you save changes. And that is all. Now let's go ahead and create our Angular application. Okay. So to create a new Angular application, you need to have Angular CLI installed if you don't have it. So Angular CLI. Go to this page, and there's a tutorial for you to install the CLI. Yep, simple as that. Unless let's create a new Angular application, new wallet UI. Maybe I will change the name UI, something like that. Yeah, I would like to have Angular routing, of course. And we have SCSS. Yeah, I like to use SCSS. Seems we encounter some error due to networking. So let me try that again. Because and I'm going to install using pnpm. So I have an alias pn. You can install pnpm is something like npm, but I think it's faster. You can go ahead and install that here. I know it's way faster than npm anyway. So pn install, and the installation is done. Okay, so let's add some packages. I'm going to use Angular material in this application. So ng add Angular material. Yeah, of course. Well, yeah, indigo pink, or I don't know. Uh, yeah, this would be good. Sure. Yes. And that's it. We have Angular material in our project. And finally, need to add this. Install the Auth0 Angular. Install. Yeah. And done. Now, let's get start. Let's try to start the application. But open that in VS Code first. Yeah, of course, I trust myself. And we open the terminal. And I can start the application. Pn start. It is similar to npm start. But as I mentioned, pnpm for me is much quicker. So I prefer using pnpm to npm nowadays. And now we have the application up and running. I'll open this, my browser. And you see this is the default UI. Let's remove all of that. By the way, I'm using Vim extension, so I navigate much quicker with Vim than with my mouse. Now we have nothing here, which is good. And let's try the login and logout button. This is the recommendation from Auth0. I'm going to app component here and add the constructor. Okay, constructor. Yep. And we are going to inject the auth service private here. Auth service. So this is imported from Auth0 Angular here. And let's try with the login function. Login. And that would be okay. Nice. We have Copilot here. But this is actually correct. So login and also log out. Okay, cool. Return to so sure, I want to specify this is the HTTP localhost. This is the URL we specify inside Auth0, but this is not correct, I guess. So that would be logout, and that would be an option here. No, that would be logout params. Yep, this is correct. And return to. Yep, correct. So we have login and logout. Now let's add a button to actually log in and log out. So I have a button, a flat button. Sorry. Okay. So login. So this I have ngIf here and color, of course, primary. Probably we need to check if the user is logged in, ngIf equal. And I guess we need another function that would be to check is authenticated. Okay. Authenticated, sure. And that would be return if, yep. So this is an observable. I can do it here. So is authenticated, and since it is unobservable, you need to pass this through an async pipe. So it's authenticated. Oh, actually, it's not authenticated, right? Or we can use logout, okay? And else login template, right? Something like that. And we have ng template here. This is login template, and that would be a button. Okay. So this button would click, then we would log in. Okay, log out. Simple like that. Now let's see if it works. So this is our application. Seems there's something wrong. I think, okay. No provider, sorry. So before this, we need to configure our application with inside this app module. So simply copy this. We have the auth module. Copy this inside, copy and paste it inside the import here. Seems there's a lot of errors. Okay, let's see. So auth module, we need to obviously import this. Import auth module. Yeah, of course. And you see that the error went away. So there's something, some configuration we need to have here, but this is not ready. This is actually the backend API. So this is what we are going to develop. But for now, update this domain and client ID from the application details here. So I copy client ID, go back here, and now apparently the domain is correct. So something like that. I guess auth0 would allow the sending the token to this endpoint. Anyways, there's another settings in here you need to configure. That would be the adding the HTTP interceptor in the provider section. So auth0 would attach the bearer token when sending requests to our backend. So provider, put it here and make sure import. Can we import quick fix? Nope, no, we don't need that. So simply go ahead and import import. Yeah, actually that's true. Import HTTP. Yep, sure. And also HTTP client module. Yep, this one. And it seems everything is working. Go back to our application, which is here. And you see that we have the login button here. But why is it look so ugly? Because we haven't imported the button module. So mat button module, let's import that inside our app module here. And actually, let's see if we can use the auto import mat button module. No, okay. So it doesn't import mat button module. Okay. From forms module. Let's try clicking on login. Oops, something went wrong. Calling. Okay, so apparently I need to update this regular. Actually, this one. Okay, so I don't know. Probably need this. Or have we saved this? Okay, let's try again. Login. Okay, so we were missing a trailing slash. So this is Alice still my account, which yeah, I'm going to accept that. And now you can see the logout button is here. Okay, click on logout, and now we're back to login. And click on login, then we have the login form. So let's go ahead and create another user. User management, you can go to user management here, user, and I have two people here. Click another user, check, something like that, and suggest a strong password, obviously, and you can use this as default option. Copy this password, and okay, we have another user here. Go back to this login, check, paste in the password, and right, save the password and accept. And that's it guys. We have successfully created an Angular application and integrate Auth0 with our application. You can now log in and log out of the app. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Auth0 with Spring Boot. So we are going to create a Spring Boot application and integrate that with Auth0. See you in the next video.